Finally left out. Finally left out, people. Jesus, this. It's crazy. Crazy. Big match. Big match. What a beautiful day for football. People, look at the place, it's pretty. A beautiful day. Look at the sunshine and pretty. STATHS versus CALABAR. Brilliant day for football. I can tell you people. Prepare yourself for an action-pack game. I set up some stuff here now. Down my bag. Put on this also. Right. And carry my umbrella. In a hot still. Come up AC, turn on the AC. Alright. Me don't say no people. Me have the one every draw still, me not lie. Me have the one every draw. Just because me see CALABAR on a good piece of farm right now. Them look good. Look really good. We don't really know if you expect from STATHS. But we know defensively, them are the best defensive team right now in the league, in the competition. So we know that go. But anyways, 0-0. Swego. Pick up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you enjoy the one here. Match day 7. Schoolboy football. CALABAR versus STATHS. STATHS versus CALABAR. Pick up on yourself.
Sure you can get parking?
Oh. Matches supposed to be a good.
Sponsored by Access Information, Right to Know, Power to Change, Western Sports, the sports people, Tax Admin Jamaica, working together to serve you better. Kendall, just giving me Kendall, and set them up, back. Welcome to Boston Football League for Manicup First Round action between CALABAR High School and Technical High School. Trying to find the strikers, one easy the CALABAR center, Jasper Henry. He loses possession, they don't get opportunity for the first goal. Like a long field.
Bomba ball. What? What pass it? Galang brother. What pa ball got ground?
A year before that. That happened.
Yeah? No what?
Jamaica versus Cuba today, so.
Time when they get to the middle.
1 and 2 times. But then fast because instead
The
of
winger have to come play in the middle.
the number 7,
Also the
Saka.
winger.
Yeah.
Saka have to be that player. That
Before
is
you go
why
to-
Saka. That he
The boy about the Fred.
And what you do?
Watch boy.
Are you? Yeah. Bigger body.
Now good passer. A keeper.
This one in height.
is all.
Listen now.
See what I'm saying? Sufficient problem. Watch it. See that? Go wide.
Keep. Bomba shot.
Here, boss. Yeah.
The boy don't too shot, man. Much minutes upon it. Calabar not play too bad, see. Big switch boy. Not play too bad.
Nah, play too good either.
Yeah, man, it's like it's a hit, bro. Alright, so half time. We're there with Shav first of all. What do you think about the first half of the game?
Good performance by Stats so far. They've been the better team so far. Despite the 1 goal lead, I think they had the opportunity to have scored. Maybe
Multiple.
2 or 3. When the game kicked off, they should have scored immediately. Stats has been having a good game so far. Calabar so far for me has been a bit disappointing. Based off their first performance against Edith? No.
Something there. Oh, them Haile Selassie.
Yeah, Haile Selassie. Today they came out, they look really flat. You can see where the experience of the defenders from Stats, it's really taking a toll on Calabar. They don't seem to be able to break them down any at all. So expecting the 1 goal, Neil, it's a surprise to me. I think it should be more. The only thing is that I expect better from Calabar in the second half and expect more from Stats going forward.
Yeah, a really good break. The people can't tap that. Yeah, man, still. Stats look like the Stats I know. And the Stats look like the Stats I expect to see. The normal Stats I expect. This is the team where you see I got challenge. Because the Calabar that I saw versus Haile Selassie. Out man, out power, out physical, out run, Haile Selassie. Stats right now make them look normal.
Yeah,
Stats make them look normal. So more than likely Andrew Price are going to turn up a thing in the second half. So me expect them, me can't expect them to come out the same as how them come out in the first half. So as you can hear, me don't know if I hear in the background Andrew Price will go at them. I'm upset because them are play way below par. It could be the fact that Stats probably a better team and cause that, but they play way below par. They're not getting a clear. They're not. If I've been honest, I can't remember one shot of a Stats goal in the first half. Exactly. No, you see, no shot. And we talk about Stats have the ball in the 18-yard box multiple times, time and time again.
with poor finish.
So basically, we just get confirmation said from the statistician and said there's no shot in the first half from Calabar. And time again, Stats in the 80-yard box. So maybe the finishing is something Stats have to work on. But interesting first half. We could see that and go for the second half.
Yeah, talk about.
Now each up there just remember that.
Yo. No, man, the Ochi man them cut. The Ochi man. Man them say they nah go back on the field, bro.
Lose your second watch, that's all you have to do. Lose your second watch, that's all you have to do.
Blows and skirt.
Pretty much done.
Clear! Hands up! Step there, man, Charlie. Clear! Clear! Come on! Hey!
Watch out!
Alright, so full time people. Stats 1, Calabar 0. Very, very entertaining game, I have to tell us. Me enjoy it. Supporters come out, but me not like still say the second half. I forgive it to Calabar. Calabar come out in the second half and put Stats under some pressure. Just to try to nickel back something. But unfortunately never get none sell. But I thought it was a good performance by Stats. Overall, I think about 3 or 4 shots Calabar get for the entire game. Which definitely let me to ask the coach about it and say something that they might work on. They know they have to go fix that. Because if at the end of the day they want to win the competition, have to kick shot off a goal. Have to try go in danger areas and try cause problem. But good 90 minutes of football, enjoyable 90 minutes. I mean, anybody who pay their money, them money well spent. Me I tell you the truth. Chav, you want a little piece right now? Second half of Calabar.
Second half was better by Calabar. Despite the goal, nobody scoring. But the
But
2 red
they might
cards.
go work on the shooting still now.
Calabar have to work. They're kids, so the 2 teams have to work on a lot. But Calabar, they showed a bit more fight in the second half than the first. So for me, it could be either Stats took their foot off the gas or Calabar stomped on the gas to some extent. But it was a better show in second half. Really enjoyed it. When there were 2 red cards. I don't know if MG mentioned that.
Yeah, me never mention it.
Yeah, 2 red cards.
Calabar get one first,
and
then
Stats got one late. The first one by Calabar, it didn't really impact the game, to be honest. When Calabar got it, it's not like Stats took over the game even better.
It's same.
Leveled. So for me, that's why I would say Stats kind of took their foot off the gas. They just withered out.